Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Phoebe here, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so I can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Make sure to like this video. So guys, today in this vlog, I want to go make my hair and I'll be going for work. And guess what? We're done with our exam. I'm going to make my hair. You guys are going to see me transform. So guys, for the past 2 months, I've not made my hair. You can imagine that I've not made my hair for the past 2 months. So I'll be going to make my hair. I'll make breakfast, make my hair, then off to work. Period. If you guys know, I stay in hostel and we do have a routine for washing the bathroom and also cleaning hostel. So today is my turn to also wash the bathroom. So make sure you all stay tuned to the end of this vlog. Guys, I just finished washing the plates, so it's time for me to clean up, arrange my stuff, and go and fetch water. Yep, period. Let's go. Oh yeah, introduce yourself.
My name is Nursuma. I'm from May. No department in this school, Sha. I'm a working class. This is my daughter.
Guys, these are my roommates here. This is Chisom. This is Nesoma.
And please, I know hear your English. Okay, again. This is student.
I don't understand.
So pretty cute.
Then you have crazy really. I need to fetch it up from the well right now. And so this one is always a lifesaver. Look my best back. This one is a lifesaver. Most of them we don't have water detail. Most of us come to the well. And if you don't have this fetcher, this is called fetcher. If you don't have it,
Sorry is your name.
sorry is your name.
You're gonna beg and beg. I'm just gonna do guy and do guy and do guy. Nobody cares.
But if you have celebs in the hostel,
Exactly.
everybody respecting you,
They'll be begging you.
begging you. I can't speak. Oh, what else is something? But most people don't like using this water. Why some people like using it? And they bought. I was reacting to the tap. That's like everything. And it's getting better. So,
Yes, the way water makes us fresh.
back from the shower right now. It's the next day, and most of you were wondering why I've not made my hair. And yesterday, I went to I was supposed to make my hair, and the person I was supposed to make my hair was not around. You can imagine that. So today I'll be making my hair.